200 feet. He will then let the aircraft just drop down all under its own speed, no control, and then when he gets to 1,300 feet, there we go, recovers, takes control. High barrel roll left to right. Now flying out inverted. A flat turn there, 270 degrees, white rudder. And then pulling through. And then coming back to the ground. We'll see later the purpose of those jet engines was to give more thrust than the weight of the aircraft and accelerate upwards stationary. So later on, which will hold the aircraft stationary in the sky and then accelerate upwards from there. Originally displaying weight in the passport. Therefore, what is described as a hammerhead, the asymmetric thrust.
फाइव ओ क्लाक तक है 5 o'clock हाँ ठीक हो गया मेरी यहाँ शिफ्ट है भाई तो मैं शिफ्ट के उत्ते खड़ा हूँ ठीक हो गया हम आज नहीं
So Richard described his mission in designing and building and flying this aircraft, having two sources of propulsion giving that unique capability for aerobatic for you. Left snap, torque roll, full thrust. rolls again, inverted pull through, 1,200 feet, barrel rolls there, full energy coming down. As an aircraft that's in hover, I guess you can describe this one as a bit like a home-built sandwich. Designed to enhance performance and entertain at airshows all over the world. The two jet engines, as we said earlier, the big turbojet designed and built by RTNL. Single radiator pressure axial turbine stage. Was in the RF, which is definitely prolonged by the red arrow. Then joined by the tornado, managed to 21 war. He left the RF in 1993, applies commercial Boeing jetliners for living. Sorry. He's pulling down that barrel roll. A couple of snaps as he was going round. And again, if you go to his website, you'll find lots of great footage of this. You really can see the crowd. He picked up his first trophy for Aerobatic more than 13 years ago, flying the Augmented Advanced Flight Training. And it was that buzz that sort of spinning an aircraft around the sky that never left him. He didn't hit the Yeah, there we go. That flat spin down.